This is an instructional video on how to create a classified ad on the Local 1165 website. First, you're going to want to log in. Once you logged in, go to the left corner. You'll see a home icon and add content. Go to add content. There you'll have three choices: announcements, blog entry, classified ad. Go to classified ad. Once here, type the title of the classified ad that you want, if you're selling a car or whatever. Give it a value, the ad category, for sale or wanted. Those are your two choices. Click for sale. This is not an option. Don't click onto notifications. Go to the ad body and type out what you want your classified ad to state. Scroll down. Don't click on any of the roles to notify. You can add an image. Click onto browse. Click onto browse. Choose a file. Choose what picture you want to upload. Upload. You can see the file was uploaded correctly. Go to next. Click on save. And you'll see your image in the image section. You can add multiple images for the item that you choose to sell. Scroll down. You can go to preview. And you'll see a trimmed version and a full version of your ad. There, this is an ad. It has low miles. There's your picture. And scroll all the way down if you're happy. If not, you can make changes right here. So once you scroll down, click save. And now your ad is successfully posted onto the website. There is a comment section. If someone has questions, they could place a question in the comment section, and the seller could contact them or add their own response in this area. Go to the members only drop box, and you could go down to the classifieds, and then you can see the ad. Once you've created an ad, please email the administrator at admin@1165.org and let them know that you created a new classified ad. This way the administrator can email the membership to let them know that there is something for sale in the classifieds. Thank you for your time, and please contact the administrator if you have any further questions.